The following graph gives information about a snowman. According to the picture, I can see a log cabin with glowing windows. From the picture, there is snow on the ground and the roof. Moreover, many trees are in the background. Lastly, a carrot is placed on the snowman as the nose. To sum up, the graph tells about a snowman. The following graph gives information about an astronaut. According to the picture, I can see a variety of stylized planets, including one with rings. From the picture, there is a comet with a fiery tail. Moreover, a lunar rover is on the right of the astronaut. Lastly, a whimsical space shuttle and a rocket are flying in the sky. To sum up, the graph tells about an astronaut. The following graph gives information about how to grow flowers. According to the picture, I can see that the first step is seeding. From the picture, the second step is irrigation. Moreover, the next step is bloom. Lastly, the final step is management. To sum up, the graph tells about how to grow flowers. The following graph gives information about writing a thesis. According to the picture, I can see the first step is topic selection and preliminary research. From the picture, the second step is outline and structure development. Moreover, the next step is extensive literature review. Lastly, the final step is data collection. To sum up, the graph tells about writing a thesis.
The following graph gives information about a scientific experiment. According to the picture, I can see design, which is the first step. From the picture, there is execution as the second step. Moreover, many test tubes and many reagents are used in the experiment. Lastly, the final step is data analysis. To sum up, the graph tells about a scientific experiment.
If you want 90 in PTE Describe image, just email me your image. I'll explain it for you, simple and free. Email in description. Best of luck for your exam.